Good morning, guys. It's 18. What's up, you guys? Let's go to Explore. What you could be up to? Anything fresh, anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, we are gonna be packing my suitcase right now, you guys. If I can find my suitcase anymore. Pack my suitcase. Okay, I need to pack this. I need to pack that up. So it's gonna be fun and exciting, you guys. So right now, you guys, I'm just making sure I'm gonna be packing my suitcase. So it's gonna be fun. So I will talk to you guys when I pack my suitcase.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, you guys, guess what I found, you guys? I found something really interesting. Yeah, I found something really interesting on the bench. It is old box. I found an old Atari on the bench, which I've seen before, a long time ago. Wow. And plus, what? Games included? There's gotta be something missing. I don't know, you guys. Is there anything missing? Comment. I don't know. We can go through this box later. But I'm gonna pack right now. Right now, you guys, I'm just getting the groceries, stuff that we have. Can I find it? Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. That's not what I'm looking for. Where is it? Could do 2 packs, because I don't know how much hamburger that's going to bring. I don't know. Some kind of extra that's fine. I don't know. Yeah, because I don't have fresh stuff, you guys. But, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just making sure everything's on the list that we have. So we can pack some groceries, you guys. Yeah, we're gonna pack some groceries. We're going on a road trip. A road trip, you guys. Yes, that's what we're doing, you guys. I'm packing for a road trip. I'm making sure I have everything. So I won't talk to you guys tomorrow, but when we come back, that'll be probably Sunday. Yeah, Sunday, I think the video will be uploaded to it. I don't know. Sunday or Monday. One of them days, you guys will see like a big, huge, long video of what we did when we did on the road trip. So, it's going to be so much fun and exciting. So right now, I'm just cooking up some pizza in the microwave. That's what I'm doing. So that is pretty amazing. I really like road trips. But I can't tell you guys where we are going because it's a surprise, so you guys have to stay tuned for the video. Yes. No, I'm just getting everything organized a little bit. Making sure things get organized. Make sure we have everything before we leave too. So it's gonna be fun and exciting, you guys. So that's pretty amazing what we are gonna do. So talk to you guys when I call my dad and see what's going on. Well, I'm gonna end today's video. It's early, but we are going on a road trip. So I'll show you guys tomorrow. When I come back. So stay tuned for part 2. So let's see you guys part 2.